All right, this is a quick lesson on Stick Season by Kahan. This is in the key of E, or A rather. The key of A, and we have an A chord, which is right here. You may already know your A minor if you've been learning from me, but A major is just raising that pointer finger to the pinky on the second fret of the B. E major, and then a bar chord here, right? Just like in E minor shape, your bar is going to be at the second fret, and I'm using my ring and pinky here on the fourth, and then we have a D. So all together it sounds A, E, F sharp minor, D. And this is a classic 1, 5, 6, 4. 1, 5, 6, 4. Really common progression, right? Well, he starts out with a bit of like a Travis picking thing here. So I'll move to the right hand. And first step with that is to get your thumb moving. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. Really slowly, and on the right hand, you can see I'm alternating between the A and the D string. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3, 4 E and. So my middle finger is doing a pinch on the and of 1 and 3, right? 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. So get that down first, right? 3 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and it's the E, the 16th note that the pointer finger picks up, right? 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. Same pattern on the E chord, 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. My fingers are on the same strings actually. Ring is, or middle rather, is still on the B. Pointer is still on the D, or the G. So middle's on the B, pointer's on the G. But now, instead of alternating between the A and D with my thumb, I'm alternating between the E and the D. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. So we've got 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1. When I switch to F sharp minor, it's the same exact pattern. And 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3. Now in the recording, I think he might actually just stay on the D. But you can alternate between the D string here and the G. So here it's 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. And that's just the first couple of measures, right? Doing the finger picking section. Next, the rest of the song we've got. I'll go ahead and grab a pick. I'm just using my fingers here. But this is sort of palm muted, right? And remember, when you're palm muting, you want your hand not here, because you get nothing, right? You want it kind of between the bridge pins and the saddle. If you kind of aim right there. 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and. So if you follow that pattern, down, 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 up, down, 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 1 and 2 E and. That'll that'll get you through the whole song. And then on the choruses, he opens up on the palm muting. Again, being mindful of where your pick is landing. And that is going to be all the way through this song. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you next time.